Isabel. At the night, a fire inside the iron. You try. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my Ariel. What's made of a drawer? What's made of a drawer?
Here's a pillow, baby.
What's made of? Here you go, Ariel. Go sleep with the pillow, Ariel. Here you go. Ride with the pillow. Anna, hurry!
You can do it right there.
Here you go, Ariel. Oh, hi, Ariel, the mermaid.
Hi, Isabel.
Where's that, Ariel? Where's Flounder go?
Flounder, over there.
Ooh, where's that Flounder? Say, hi, Flounder.
Hi, Flounder.
Goodbye, Flounder. Goodbye, Ariel.
Goodbye, Flounder. Where did he go?
Where'd Flounder go, Ariel? Where'd he go?
Is he okay?
Hey, where's Flounder? Oh, Flounder, are you okay? Where'd Buddy go?